At UNIQ Machinery, we strive to make the best products available for our customers, regardless of what we bring to the market. And in the case of the UNIQ controller, we understand that we really missed the mark with respect to user functionality, the software that our customers know and expect from us coming from the 100 and the 200 controllers. Since we released the controller in March of 2021, our customers, who are really our lifeblood, have been very vocal in what we need to do, expressing a lot of frustrations about the new controller. Why did we change from the old controller to the new one? And it really was that focus on safety. However, we understand that we missed the mark on the user experience. And because of that, we're going to be re-releasing the software package for the UNIQ controller. With respect to the functionality, we're going to maintain the high-end safety features that are included with the UNIQ controller SSQ type machine, as well as machines in the future that will accept the UNIQ controller. This will not involve any upgrades from a hardware perspective, so that'll make things, I think, a little bit easier. However, a lot of the functionality will change. The intention is, by August of 2022, we will have a patch or a new release on the software, meaning that you'll be able to go to our website and we'll have announcements go out via email, as well as it'll be posted all over our website to where you can go and how to go about getting your software upgrade. The initial release will cover machines that do not have notching, so it'll just be a straight SSQ with a UNIQ controller. After that, our focus is going to be on angle cutting and notching machines, and we're anticipating that within 30 to 60 days of the initial patch. So we understand a lot of the negatives that our customers have been having with this controller, including, but not limited to, data entry fields being too small. Data fields for calibration are missing if you are not using feet and inches unit of measure. Having to use the new coil button to correct issues constantly. Maintenance mode warning is undersized and does not clearly define what the problem is. Redundant data fields that show the same information on multiple pages, and the HMI screens are too cluttered with information. So we understand the frustrations of our customers, and this change that's going to be coming in early August can't happen soon enough. However, we can't rush it. So while it's all hands on deck to make this software update as fast as we can, we're going to provide a change that's going to be acceptable and expandable for our customers moving forward. It's going to be completely rewritten from the ground up with an emphasis on simplicity and reliability while keeping the safety functionality. We'll be using feedback from our customers and field service technicians to write the programming. The notching settings will be hidden from view unless you have the optional notchers. The screens will have bigger buttons and will be easier to understand. Everything that we're doing with this release is with the customer in mind. So where we're not going to compromise on safety, we're going to have this beta tested. A lot of our users that have been very vocal about what we need to do are going to get this tested in their hands first. We appreciate your patience. We know this hasn't been easy for you, and we are committed to a process, and we've really committed to this process in the last 6 months. Of when we make changes, when we make advancements or developments in our products, they are going to be driven by our customers. It can't be just us in the four walls of UNIQ Machinery saying, this is what the market needs next. What the market needs next is going to be driven from our customers. So keep an eye out for updates via email, keep an eye out for updates as well as on our website. And certainly if you have any questions or need some help getting through the update, that's what our sales and service teams are going to be around to assist with.